Hello. During this time of the lockdown, especially when the COVID infectivity rate is so high, I, as a property agent, I'm not able to go out, not able to carry out any activities. So it has made me reflect on what I want to do. I can't be sitting around doing nothing, wasting my time. I need to improve myself and move forward. So in order to improve myself, I got to learn a lot of new skills. One skill that I'm very much lacking in is the online marketing skills. Boy, it's tough. Then again, nothing is easy. What I have to realize is, what do I need to do to be different? What do I need to get owners, sellers, tenants to come to me? Well, I realize I have to improve on the 8 pillars. And these are branding, listing, pricing, product high touch, marketing and sales activities, knowing how to generate leads and traffic, improve on the negotiation skills, and of course, the closing and the conversion skills. I have to persevere, to carry on, to learn as much as I can. Well, I shall look at things on the brighter side, and that is never to stop learning and to live life to the fullest.